Okay, we're gonna try easy acro with the Avata 360. So to do that, I'm gonna pull the little joystick down and I'm going to go over here to easy acro and turn that on. Well, there's slide, 180 drift, flip, and juke roll. I have to get rid of this little menu that's on the screen. Okay, so now I'm gonna go forward and I'm gonna do the joystick. Oh, there we go. I'm just doing the joystick left to right. So I just go forward and then I do the joystick right and it flips around to the right. Nice. Okay. Wow. All right, so now we'll try the flip. All right. So let's get up a little higher and go whoop. Whoa, hey, did it actually flip or was that software?
I didn't see a flip, try it again.
All right, let's try it again, here we go. Coming towards us.
Did it flip?
Did in the camera.
Yeah, no flip.
All right, let me see what happens if I do a backwards flip. Whoa! Oh my God, that's very trippy. But the drone's not actually flipping, huh?
No, the drone's not flipping.
So it's just doing it in the camera. So I'm gonna do a front flip. Whoa! Gosh, that's dizzying. All right, so we've determined that while it does look like it's flipping, it's not really flipping. It's all software. All right. And now we're gonna try the juke roll. I have no idea what this does. Okay. So, whoa, that was weird. It's like, it flips 180 degrees over forward, and then it flips 180 degrees over sideways.
Like a juicy flick.
And you go whoop, whoop, yeah.
Okay, so it does actually physically rotate 180 degrees, but it never goes upside down.
Okay, so none of these, it goes upside down. So the flip just goes, as I'm going along, it just looks like you're flipping very smoothly, by the way. Huh. And on the juke roll, it looks like it's flipping, but it's not. But on the 180 drift, it actually 180s?
It turns around, yeah. Yeah.
The slide is just to, I think like you said, it's just to kind of like move into position using the joystick. This little wheel takes you through the 3 different easy acros: slide, 180 drift, flip, and juke roll. So if I go to flip and just hit it, it's funny because it didn't do anything, right? So I'm gonna flip, and it didn't. Yeah, it looks like it. It looks like it's flipping in the camera, but it's not actually flipping.
Wow. You can flip forward, backwards, left,
yep,
and right?
Yep.
Wow.
That's left. That's right. Backwards. And forward. And I wonder if I can do the juke roll without. Huh. Yeah, so you can do both of those sitting at a standstill. I don't think you can do the drift. Oh yeah, you can do the drift. You can do the drift, but that one actually goes somewhere, right?
Yeah.
So to get out of easy acro, I'm gonna come back up here to my goggles and pull this joystick down, come over to this little easy acro icon. I'll stop recording for a second. So you're just saying use this scroll wheel. Oh yeah, so the scroll wheel zooms in and out. Yep, it is zooming in and out. So I'm at 272 degrees, which is as wide as you can go. And again, if you tilt this, you get the tiny planet or you get the sort of crystal ball look. Hard to tell how close you are to the ground or anything like that.
Yeah.
So, but this does allow you to like zoom into a more normal state. Yeah, like 120, 124 seems to be kind of a good spot. Nice. Everything looks pretty normal. And that's an overview of easy acro on the Avata 360. Now you want to try difficult acro?
Ooh. Oh, okay. That was on the concrete. Oh.
All right, so we are out here on a windy day and we are going to try out head tracking. I've got the goggles N3 on, gonna take off. There we go. All right, so head tracking. So we'll go to head tracking is on. Get out of this. And now, oh yeah, I mean, it looks like it's head tracking. So the bottom line is head tracking does not move the drone. It does change your view, but it's using software and the 360 cameras to give you a different view of where you're looking. But when I look over here to the left, the drone does not yaw left. And when I look to the right, it does not yaw right. I guess it would be, like the use case would be if you were flying next to a car and you wanted to make sure it was still in frame and the drone was flying sideways. Like, you know, if you wanted to see what was actually in frame. In my goggles, when I look over here, I see both of us. But the drone, and now when I look over here, I see the stands over there. And when I'm looking straight, I'm just seeing, oh, I'm actually seeing the woods behind me because the drone is facing the opposite way. So let me rotate the drone around. Now is the drone facing the same way as me, basically?
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna fly past us here, and I'm going to watch, I'm gonna turn my head to the right so that I can see us, but the drone continues to fly forward.
All right, pause, you're gonna crash into something.
Okay, but I can still see us, but the drone didn't rotate. And now, if you want to actually rotate the drone, you have to tilt your wrist and pull down on the little trigger partly. So Easy Acro is a cool experience. It's something that they had in a few previous drones, and it allows you to do some neat tricks without having a whole lot of skill. You just push some buttons and it happens almost automatically. It is a neat thing to be able to do with the Avata 360. I don't know how often I'll actually use it. As far as head tracking goes, what you're seeing when you turn your head is you're just seeing the 360 camera through software manipulate the view that you're seeing. The drone doesn't actually turn. So head tracking is kind of a misnomer. So those two things on the Avata 360 are not my favorite, but they're worth a try if you have one.